If you're planning to move to Finland in 2026, this video might save you months of frustration. Finland is one of the most stable and family-oriented countries in Europe. It offers a high quality of life, strong worker protection, and competitive salaries. But here's the truth most people won't tell you. Jobs are available. Visa pathways exist. But many people are applying the wrong way. Today, I'm going to show you the reality of getting a job in Finland. High-demand occupations in 2026. Why most applications get ignored. And how to apply strategically so you actually get responses. Let's get into it. Finland is known for safety, work-life balance, strong family support system, high income level. Depending on your job and experience, salaries typically range between €2,500 to €4,500 per month. And yes, you can move with your family if you qualify under the proper residence permit. But before we talk about jobs, I need to address something important. I read your comments. Many of you say, I applied but no reply. They responded but I didn't get the job. I've sent 50 applications. Listen carefully. When you apply for jobs abroad, you are not the only one applying. When I share job websites, understand this information is in the general public. Thousands, sometimes millions of people see the job vacancies. So you are competing globally. This means you must be patient, strategic, fast, smart with your applications. If you're not strategic, you'll keep getting ignored. Now let's talk about sectors in Finland currently hiring foreign workers. These include cleaning services, warehouse jobs, maintenance teams, construction, driving, logistics and skilled trades. These roles continue to show strong demand due to labor shortages in specific sectors. But here's where many people make a mistake. Some of you are using the same CV you used in your home country. That will not work. Every country has its preferred CV structure and expectations. Finnish employers expect clear formatting, straight-to-the-point experience, skills that match the job description, no unnecessary information, and most importantly, your CV must be ATS-friendly. ATS means Applicant Tracking System. Before a human recruiter sees your CV, a machine scans it. That machine checks keywords, skills, job match, formatting. If your CV does not match the job description, it gets filtered out. That's why you get no response. So what should you do when applying? 1. Read the job description carefully. 2. Identify the key skills they mention. 3. Use those same keywords naturally inside your CV. 4. Align your experience with what they are looking for. Do not copy and paste blindly. Customize every application. Yes, it takes time. But that is what increases your chances. Some of you ask me to review your CV. You can actually do this yourself. Use AI tools. Use online templates. Search for Finland CV format. Look at samples and adjust yours. It's not difficult. It just requires effort. And effort is what separates those who relocate from those who only complain. When new vacancies are posted, you must act fast. These positions receive applications quickly. I cannot apply for you. I cannot search for you. My role is to provide the opportunity and direction. Your role is to execute immediately. When I drop websites in the description, go there. Search properly. Filter by your job role and look at for visa sponsorship or international hiring. Submit optimized applications. That is how you increase your odds. Moving abroad is possible. But it is not automatic. It requires strategy, consistency, proper documentation, and smart application methods. If you fix your CV and apply correctly, your chances improve significantly. Finland remains one of the most structured and opportunity-driven countries in Europe for skilled and semi-skilled workers. The demand is real. The salaries are competitive. The family benefits are strong. But opportunity only favors those who prepare properly. If you want to relocate in 2026, start now. Optimize your CV, apply strategically. Be patient but proactive. And treat each application as serious competition. I'll drop useful job platforms in the description to guide you. If this video helped you understand the process better, like, subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss future job updates and visa opportunities. Your relocation journey is possible. Just approach it the right way. See you in the next video.